दिस इज श्वेता।
मेरा नाम है इंदर और आप देख रहे हो
श्वेता ब्लॉग में आपका स्वागत है। वेलकम टू योर चैनल।
सो गाइस, अभी हम एक चैनल पे रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं। वो शायद से सॉन्ग है।
ओके।
चैनल का नाम है स्मोकिंग द गोस्ट।
स्मोकी द गोस्ट।
स्मोकी द गोस्ट।
ओके।
एंड इन्होंने हमें रीच आउट किया था ईमेल, सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू, एंड रिक्वेस्ट की है कि हम थोड़ा रिएक्ट करें। तो मेरे को ऐसा पोस्टर देखने से थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, तो मैंने सोचा चलो रिएक्ट करके देखते हैं क्या है। तो स्मोकी द गोस्ट एंड Aerate साउंड चेरी ऑरेंज बाय 1111 स्टूडियो। सो गाइस, अगर आपको इनका वीडियो पसंद आए तो आप इनके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, लिंक हम डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल देंगे। सो आइए देखते हैं।
Y'all need drugs, break, y'all need drugs, break, y'all need. But then the grass is never greener for the one that cut the turf, and that's why I spark a cherry, fuck the world. And then the flowers always sweeter for the one that crushed the bud, and that's why I spark a cherry, fuck the world. But then the grass is never greener for the one that cut the turf, and that's why I spark a cherry, fuck the world. And then the flowers always sweeter for the one that crushed the bud, and that's why I spark a cherry, fuck the world. Belly bottom, disregard it, dwell in darkness, cherry orange. Belly bottom, disregard it, dwell in darkness, cherry orange. I guess we all need drugs, break petty armors. 26th of every August, had some pity on us, I'll be very honest. Feel the world's retarded. Guess my humbleness mistaken to be petty-hearted, and I stumble into people acting disregarded. When life is full of dangers that are still evolving, survival of the fittest is the very problem. Yet pretty darn sure that I bring regardless. The son of my mother said Chevy orange. I'm semi-conscious that the zen dissolves it. Put the pretty nice girl in a pretty coffin. Y'all need drugs in the belly bottom. All the words that I wear, spelling garments. Why we struggling to fly, still dwell in darkness. When our minds hold the keys to any carpet. So jealous of the fellas that are writing acapellas, when the ones doing choruses never did a verse. We want to be acquired and inherit them and hers. For hammer on the chisel when the stone can never trust. I sculpt a human being and I'm left with only dust. My nerves are made of steel and my tears can never trust. As we run the race of races and be fighting to be first. Cause when we reach the finish I diminish into dirt. Sometimes on a fast lane you let the car cruise. Let go of the steering bobbleheads, not two. Cause when I went to school the teacher taught me alphabets and smoke only the W's. Trying to find the juice, dissolve a bit of A in the water, set me free. I'm so confident of myself I don't need to sniff the sea. Hashtagging what I breathe, magician of belief. But you can spot a Chevy orange. Oh shit, I got it. But then the grass is never greener for the one that cut the turf, and that's why I spark a cherry, fuck the world. And then the flowers always sweeter for the one that crushed the bud, and that's why I spark a cherry, fuck the world. But then the grass is never greener for the one that cut the turf, and that's why I spark a cherry, fuck the world. And then the flowers always sweeter for the one that crushed the bud, and that's why I spark a cherry, fuck the world. Belly bottom, disregard it, dwell in darkness, cherry orange. Belly bottom, disregard it, dwell in darkness.
Okay, I want to say something. Okay, so the starting of the song that you all needed drugs. Okay, but what I feel, you all need this type of song.
It's very nice. So
Very
especially
nice.
the way it was shot.
Yes.
The lines were also very nice. The
Yes.
deep meanings and everything. And the music was also good. But I love the way it was shot.
Yes.
It was a futuristic shoot, like where
Well, computerized everything.
like I love the thought process, the way it was done, the way it was made. You can see
The
the
way
talent,
it
the
was
effort,
wrapped between the song. This will be in my playlist now.
It's nice. It's nice.
Nice, very nice. I love
Very.
it.
It's a very underrated channel, but I think so. It should grow. So
It will grow more. Come on.
The quality of the content was very nice.
Very
Guys, it's a
nice.
request from all the subscribers, all our subscribers. Please subscribe.
All of us Sherlock family.
Yes, please
Do subscribe to him.
We need to make sure that this kind of YouTubers grow, because this is pure talent. Very, very, very nice.
You know, this type of song to shoot, to make, to put the lyrics, to put the rap, everything, it takes a lot of time.
Lots of time and effort.
At least we can give little bit appreciate to him. So do subscribe to him.
Very, guys, please, it's a humble request. Subscribe to this channel. We are going to put the link in the description box. And thank you. Like giving us the opportunity to react on the song.
Yes.
Like, trust me, it was very nice.
I was just into the song.
So
Everything.
next thing is I'm going to wear headphones and then listen to it.
That's what I told the starting that the sentence was written that you all needed drugs, but you all need this type of song to
Very
feel
nice.
relaxed.
Very nice.
Wow.
Very nice. Very,
Amazing.
very nice. We just pray for your growth on YouTube. We just wish that you get
More
what you
and
deserve.
more success.
You
Yes.
get what you deserve. It was very, very, very nice. Again, the way everything was shot, the sound, the music, the lyrics, everything was spectacular and amazing. We loved it. Now, we'll check other songs on the channel if there are.
Sure,
And
sure.
Please bring more songs like this.
Now he will be the one. He will be more appreciated. Like,
Yes.
now I'm going to put second
Yes,
song.
do it.
Do it, do it. It's amazing.
If you need models for shoot, we have them. Just kidding, bro. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to his channel and just listen to his songs on the YouTube.
Cherry orange,
We
right?
have
Orange,
cherry
orange.
and the fuck the words like
Yes.
this. But very nice. Please like his
Very
video.
nice.
Very, 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 and comment. Go and comment there if you love it. Do that. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.